judges are tabulating our scores. This is the moment, I'm pretty much sure, alam na ng mga manonood to. Alam na ng iba sa mga house interviews natin to. So relax lang muna kayo. I'll get the interview in a short while. But before that, of course, our winners for today will get to take 2,000 pesos. So makikita ulit natin sila sa fashion show. That will be on May 31st. And of course, the grand finals, that will be on June 7th. By the way, the grand finals will be held on Cinema 4 po yan. Tickets will be available starting May 17. Okay, sa mga hindi mo papalarin, they will still get to take home 1,000 pesos. And syempre, the experience of being able to stand here in front of everyone and syempre ma-enjoy din itong competition na ito. Alright. Tanda. And gusto ko yung pasalamatan. My gosh, ba't ko nakalimutan? Sir Ross! Yan, maraming salamat, Sir Ross. He is, of course, the one in charge of the choreography for this afternoon's pageantry, di ba? May mga paandar si Sir Ross na re-entry, di ba? Actually, nausap ko kanina si Miss Ina. Maganda, no? May re-entry yung girls, tapos, paggaling nila yung backstage, mabisa sila. Baka hindi mo siya ng maraming kuda. Alright, so let's start off with our honks, brothers, sisters, fellow countrymen. Simple lang naman gagawin natin. Alam nila yung ba ito? Sabihin nila yung pangalan ninyo. Kung may gusto kayong pasalamatan, whether it be your manager, your loved one, if someone's supporting here, na sinusuportahan kayo, pasalamatan ninyo. And syempre, yung social media pages ninyo. Diba? Kung may gusto kayong promote, whether it be Facebook, X, Instagram, YouTube, diba? TikTok, ginagawa nyo lahat. Or kung may business na kayo, kung nagtitinda kayo ng burger or fries, or meron kayong mga promo codes na gusto nyo i-share sa amin, now is the perfect time. Imagine, meron kayong maraming followers na madadagdag on your Facebook page or your any other social media pages. Ito na, now is the perfect time. Alright, let's start off with hang number 1. Brother, welcome back. Michael Forbes, looking good. Take it away.
Ayan po, shout out sa mga followers ko dyan. Hello po. Bali, second comeback ko na dito sa Summer Bodies. And yun. Gagalingan ko na lang po sa finals. And yun. Expect the unexpected na lang.
Maraming salamat. I love the confidence. Ngayon pala, he's claiming it. I'll see you guys in the finals. At may mga pasabog siya. Yan maganda. You always have that confidence in you. And gusto ka naman ba rin? Good hang. Ay, meron ka mag-promote. Social media. Wala. Now, let's see hang number 2.
Hello guys, I'm Christian Jacob Aguilos. And it's my first time dito sa Summer Bodies. And gusto ko pasalamatan yung nag-ayos sa akin yung $100 kay Nay Fiona. And ayun, gagalingan ko pa.
Alright, hang number 2. Gusto niya, gagalingan niya. And we hope, of course, we get to see you in the fashion show in the grand finals. Hang number 3.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm John Christopher Lagos. And thank you so much sa lahat sa support sa akin dito. And pinapainit niya yung hapon natin.
Maraming salamat. Actually, kayo yung nagpapainit ng hapon namin. Sa issue kong to, I'm sure, hindi sila naiinit. Baka nasusuha sila. Alright, natin ka na. Ang number 4. Take it away.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako pala si Edward Bembo. Maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta sa akin. Then sa lahat ng mga kasama ko rin. Tsaka maraming salamat sa handler ko lagi na sumusuporta sa akin na lagi ako inaot. Si Nanay Jose. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Nanay Jose. Yeah, for always supporting Edward. And last but not the least, number 5.
My name is Jovit Malindan. Nagpapasalamat ako sa handler ko na actually guys, this is my first time joining in Bikini Open. And win or lose, this is such a great experience. Thank you.
Salamat, Jovic. And kalabanan natin all our hangs. And of course, happy Mother's Day to all your mothers as well. Alright, now let's move on to game number 6.
Good afternoon to everyone. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, especially on my TikTok. Renzo Mika Espedido. Thank you.
Alright, yung mga girls talaga usually, sila yung nagpo-promote ng mga social media pages. Thank you so much, Renzo. Yan, a little ball of energy. Grabe, whenever she's on stage, ikaw talaga. Rapper. Now, let's hear for game number 5.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I'm Galerie Guzman, 22 years old from Pasay City. Thank you Summer Buddies for this experience and opportunity po. And thank you din po sa mga supporters namin ng number 1. Thank you po.
Oh, nabanggit na nga niya kanina, supporting wave number 1 and number 5. I want to hear it to wave number 4.
Hello everyone, I am Princess Erica Noble and I am 19 years old. And thank you Summer Body Girls for this another opportunity. And thank you to my supporters and to my Lolo and Tita Chris. Thank you for always believing on me.
Thank you so much. Yung number 4. Malapit na po yung birthday ko. Pag na 19 na rin po ako sa 26. Celebrating my 19 for the 19th time. Let's hear you guys here for wave number 3.
Hello, my name is Lumel Honey Cruz, and special thanks to my mother out there and for my manager, Benz Bolate. Thank you for Summer Buddies. And also, you can follow me at Facebook at Lumel Honey and TikTok at Sensei. Thank you.
Alright, there we go. Thank you so much. I bent your hand there earlier. Yeah. Kudos, of course. And to your mom, who's also here. Happy Mother's Day to her. Alright, now let's hear it for wave number 2.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jana Steph from Quezon City, 22 years old. And thank you for Mama Chris for makeup and her hairstyle. Also, thank you for Summer Body Quest.
Alright, thank you so much for her hair and makeup. Really nice. All made up. Ayan. So, very nice hair and makeup. Napakagaling na pausa. It will, of course, help fun. Wave number 2. And last but not least, wave number 1.
Good evening. My name is Richa Maymado, 22 years old. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa handler ko kay MJ na naging handler ko since pumunta ako dito sa Manila. And thank you sa kapatid ko na lagi akong pinupush mag-pageant. And thank you din sa sobrang pogi kong boyfriend.
Shout it out! Ayan. Sino ba yung boyfriend mo? Ayan, yung pogi si Axel. Ayan. Oh, first time ba to? Magkakaroon na. Kasi may magtito na eh, di ba? Dito sa mga house. May boyfriend or... kapatid. Magkapatid. Wala. Yun, sa dito. Sino? Sino kapatid? Kapatid.
kambal niya.
Akala ko, sa boyfriend. Ha?
Oo
Sorry. Pa-confirm ka lang. Pa-confirm ko yung chismis. Ano yung yung chismis?
Kambal niya.
Ay, boyfriend yung foreigner.
Sabi ko na nga
Ayan.
Ay,
Nasaan yung boyfriend? Ayun. Ayan, si Sir. Hindi pa tapos yung calculation, no? Okay, very good. Kasi wala na akong masabi. Hi, Sir. Good afternoon. What's your name? Finn? Alright, and you're from? Germany. Alright, thank you so much, of course, for supporting your beautiful partner, girlfriend. Alright, and what's your message for her? Yeah, your message. Because this is the moment where, of course, we are about to tabulate the scores. And maybe we'll get to see you again on the fashion show in the grand finals. So what's your message for your beautiful girlfriend?
You did very well, and I'm happy to see you in the finals.
There we go, claiming it as well. Alright, good. Well, thank you, sir. You know how to speak English because I don't know how to speak German. I think I know how to count. Eins? What? There you go. Thank you so much. Alam mo, I'm really happy whenever your boyfriend or mommy or even your managers are here to support you because yun yung nakakapag-boost ng confidence natin. There's always someone there who's always going to be there for us. Diba? Mahirap kasi yung ikaw lang mag-isa na titingin ka sa salamin, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Diba yung may pinarinig kang someone else di ba? Saying na, kaya mo yan, di ba? Huwag ka nang mangutang. Kaya mo yan. Hindi kasi pinapatawa ko lang yun, guys. I know it's quite taxing, standing there, of course, on her bikinis. Pero you guys really look beautiful. You guys look stunning. So just relax.